Are you searching for best Bluetooth? So now you are in the right place for getting the valuable info on Bluetooth audio adapter. In this video we shortlisted top 5 best Bluetooth audio adapter 2021. We made this list based on our personal opinion. After perform our research based on their price, quality, durability and other related issue and we ranked them. If you want more information please check the links in the description below. Starting at number 1 is UGREEN. The Bluetooth 2-in-1 transmitter receiver supports up to 15 hours of continuous using after a single charge of only 2.5 hours. You can use it while charging. With a high range of up to 10 meters the signal transmission is not limited. You can connect it with TV, PC, headphone etc. Small and stylish. Easy to carry anywhere. Simple connection method. Coming in at number 2, 1ME 5.0 transmitter receiver. 1ME BO3 Pro Bluetooth transmitter receiver featuring the latest Bluetooth 5.0 and support for Claycom HD, APS low latency, APS and AAC decoding. Simple switch to alternate between HD and low latency priority if your device supports both codecs. Transmitter has 3 working modes: Texas mode and RX mode and bypass mode. You can switch the mode of BO3 you need to connect. 1ME BO3 allows you to take advantage of cutting-edge Bluetooth 5.0 technology to stream all your favorite music from any cell phone, tablet, laptop or desktop to your favorite sound system you already own. The BO3 Pro Bluetooth adapter can also be used to connect Bluetooth speakers or headphones to your existing TV. At number 3 is UGREEN 2.0 APS HD transmitter powered by the latest Bluetooth 5.0. This audio adapter can be paired with 2 Bluetooth devices or speakers simultaneously whether in transmitter mode or receiver mode. The Bluetooth 2-in-1 transmitter receiver supports up to 15 hours of continuous using after a single charge of only 2.5 hours. You can use it while charging. Up to 10 meters the signal transmission is not limited. Powered by the latest Bluetooth 5.0, this audio adapter can be paired with 2 Bluetooth devices or speakers simultaneously whether in transmitter mode or receiver mode. Number 4 is Arylic Bluetooth 5.0 HiFi stereo audio receiver. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0 HiFi stereo audio receiver stream music wirelessly via network from all kinds of sources and without distance limitation and in high quality. S10 audio streamer is a perfect hardware for music lovers to upgrade a traditional stereo audio system into a modern hi-fi smart wireless audio system. The last is number 5 Bluetooth audio receiver adapter. 1ME Lav Audio DS600 is a state-of-the-art digital hi-fi decoder for home audio, desktop and office use. Supports the optical/coaxial input of DVD/CD player, home theater, as well as USB input devices such as PC, Windows, MacBook, which upgrades your speaker with incredibly rich music.